Your JOST fifth wheel has been designed and manufactured to provide you with years of trouble-free service. JOST offers exclusive features such as an adjusting screw with simple adjustment and an infinite range of settings, an ergonomically designed release handle which requires only 60 pounds of full force, the lowest in the industry, a patented remote grease fitting that delivers lubricant to crucial components even while coupled, and with just 4 moving parts, your JOST fifth wheel has been designed for easy routine maintenance as well. The following procedures can be performed easily with readily available equipment, but must be performed by qualified personnel. Remember, failure to follow these instructions could cause a hazardous condition. Before performing any maintenance, uncouple the tractor from the trailer. Inspections and adjustments must be performed every 3 months or 30,000 miles. Begin by inspecting the mounting, repairing or replacing any missing or damaged fasteners or broken components. Check the pivot pin bolts. Make sure the lock tabs are bent over, securing the bolts in place. Inspect the top plate for bent, worn, or broken parts and replace as required. JOST offers a full line of replacement parts and ordering is easy with quick ship delivery available. Now check the operation of the locking mechanism using a lock tester. Make sure you use only a lock tester. Do not use any other device. The operating instructions detail the proper operation of the locking mechanism. Do not use any fifth wheel that fails to operate properly. Next, check the adjustment of the fifth wheel locks. Adjust if required. Rebuild or replace the fifth wheel if the lock tester moves more than 1/8 of an inch total movement and all the adjustment is used up. Refer to the rebuild instructions for the proper procedures if rebuilding is required. The adjusting screw on the JOST fifth wheel gives you an infinite range of settings. A properly adjusted lock allows the lock tester to rotate freely from side to side with very little fore and aft movement. There are 3 ways to determine if the lock has been adjusted too tightly. 1. If the release handle is difficult to release. 2. If the lock tester, when in position, cannot move freely from side to side. Or 3. If the engaged lock tester is raised off the surface of the top plate. If any of these conditions exist, the lock is too tight. To properly adjust a lock that is too tight, loosen the jam nut, then turn the screw in a clockwise direction 2 half turns. Then tighten the jam nut. Test with the lock tester and repeat as necessary until proper adjustment is attained. It is possible to set the adjustment screw so that the release handle is jammed and cannot be unlocked. In this situation, you will need to enlist the aid of another person. One person needs to pull on the handle after lifting the handle to the upper slot. The other tightens the screw, which pushes out the adjustment wedge until the handle releases. After freeing the release handle, adjust as we have just demonstrated. If a lock has been adjusted too loosely, the lock tester will move too freely when in the locked position. To readjust, loosen the jam nut, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise 2 half turns, then set the jam nut. Test with the lock tester and repeat as necessary until a proper adjustment is attained. Always verify your adjustments by locking and unlocking several times using the lock tester. Remember, do not use any other device to test the lock. Once adjustments have been made, lubricate the fifth wheel components as required. First, lubricate the kingpin lock through the grease fitting provided on the skirt of the fifth wheel. This can also be done routinely while the trailer is coupled to the tractor. Apply a lithium-based grease with extreme pressure, EP additive, to the top plate surface of the fifth wheel. Apply a light oil to all moving parts. For sliding fifth wheels, spray diesel fuel on the slide path of the base plate. Inspecting and adjusting the JOST sliding fifth wheel mechanism is also an easy process. Inspect the bracket for any cracks, missing or damaged parts. Inspect the locking plungers for full engagement. To check the slide locking mechanism for proper operation, test the function of the plungers. If the plungers won't release, Check the air lines and air cylinder. If the plungers are loose, check the plunger springs for proper compression. Also, inspect and replace the locking mechanism parts as required. Easy maintenance is one of the reasons the JOST fifth wheel will deliver years of trouble-free service. If you have any questions on the maintenance procedures detailed here or in your manual, please contact JOST for assistance. JOST fifth wheels. From operation to maintenance, the reasons are simple.